This question is to analyze absolute value functions for extrema and inflection. Let the function f of x be defined as the absolute value of x times the quantity 1 minus x. Determine which of the following 4 statements is true. First step is to understand the type of function we are working with. The function we are analyzing is defined as the absolute value of x times 1 minus x. This means we are taking a quadratic expression, x times 1 minus x, and then applying the absolute value. This expression changes behavior depending on whether x times 1 minus x is positive or negative. So we need to split the analysis based on whether this product is non-negative or negative. Next step is to determine when the inside of the absolute value is positive or negative. We analyze where x times 1 minus x is greater than or equal to 0. That occurs when x is less than or equal to 0, or when x is greater than or equal to 1. In contrast, the product is negative when x is between 0 and 1. Therefore, the function f of x behaves as follows. For x less than or equal to 0, or greater than or equal to 1, f of x equals x times 1 minus x. For x strictly between 0 and 1, f of x equals the negative of x times 1 minus x. Next step is to check whether x equals 0 is an extrema point. We observe that f of x is always greater than or equal to 0 for all x. In particular, f of 0 equals 0. That means f reaches its smallest possible value at x equals 0. So yes, x equals 0 is a local minimum. This means option B and option D are not correct. Next step is to examine whether the point 0, 0 is an inflection point. Now, let's look at how the curvature changes near x equals 0. When x is less than 0, the function simplifies to x squared minus x. The second derivative in that case is a constant value of positive 2. When x is greater than 0, the function becomes negative x squared plus x. The second derivative here is a constant value of negative 2. Since the second derivative changes sign when we pass through 0, this indicates a change in concavity. Therefore, the point 0, 0 is an inflection point. The correct answer is option C. X equals 0 is a local minimum of the function, and the point 0, 0 is an inflection point on its graph. Whenever you deal with absolute value functions, be sure to split the function into separate cases and check how the derivatives behave on each side. That's the key to catching both extrema and inflection points correctly. That's it for this question solving. This video is based on our math tutoring blog and class recordings. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to our channel Math Tutor 8285 and turn on the notification bell. Press the like button. Thank you so much.